registered have been registered. And also to ensure that they can check the accuracy of the registers. That is the names, the way the names are spelled, the order in which the names should appear, the dates of birth, the gender, and also the clarity of the pictures which will appear on the certificates, and so on and so forth. So all these must be checked, and where there are errors, these errors must be brought to the attention of the board immediately. And also where a candidate or a group of candidates have not been registered, but there is proof that that candidate or that group of candidates had paid registration fees within the correct timelines, but for some reason they were not registered. These also should come to the board immediately so that a solution can be found. Even this year, we already know of fraudsters that are already circulating information on social media and on certain WhatsApp groups, telling the gullible members of the public that they already have UCE examinations, even though some of the papers have not even been printed as I speak. But these people already have them, according to them. And they are asking for money to be sent to certain accounts. They already have UCE, and that they are also preparing to supply yearly. So we would like to warn members of the public, please ignore these. These are fraudsters who are out to cheat. And also, we have already alerted our security teams to be on the lookout for these fraudsters that are deceiving our people. To reiterate, ladies and gentlemen of the press, that the successful conduct of the 4 examinations that the board will handle this year is a joint responsibility by all stakeholders. And we want that the candidates and anybody else responsible or involved must know that if a candidate is involved in examination malpractice in one paper, it leads to the cancellation of the entire examination. So this should be taken note of.